Before we get started, make sure to watch all the way through. I'll reveal how much this repair might cost at the end. Hey guys, ever wonder why the heated seats in your Toyota Tacoma suddenly stop working? This is a common issue, especially in certain model years. You might notice that when you press the heated seat button, nothing happens. No warmth, no indicator light, and the seat stays cold. This can be frustrating, especially in colder weather when you rely on that feature for comfort. The problem can affect either the driver or passenger seat, and sometimes both. Let's dive into why this happens and what you can do about it. I've got the facts for you, straight from the official Toyota playbook. Let's get into it. If you own a 2016, 2017, or 2018 Toyota Tacoma, pay close attention. There's a technical service bulletin out. It's TSB-0130-18, titled Seat Heater Inoperative. NHTSA listed under ID 10152600. This covers Tacomas built before certain VIN breakpoints, so check your VIN if you think you're affected. Here's the deal. If either your driver or passenger heated seat isn't working, this bulletin tells Toyota dealers exactly what to do. The fix? Replace the seat heater assembly on the side that's not working. For the right side seat, Toyota bundles the heater with a new seat cushion cover. And heads up, left and right parts are not interchangeable. If your Tacoma's still under the basic 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, this repair is covered. If not, you'll probably have to pay out of pocket. Many owners have reported this online. Now, a lot of Texan owners say the usual culprit is the heater amplifier or the connector under the seat. Sometimes those pins even melt. So if you want to DIY, check those connectors first. Out of warranty? You can swap in an OEM seat heater or look into an aftermarket kit if you're feeling handy. Remember, this is a TSB, not a recall. That means the dealer will only fix it if you ask about it or if the problem's confirmed. So, got a dead heated seat? Mention TSB-0130-18 and NHTSA ID 10152600 to your service advisor, and you'll sound like a pro. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions down below. I always read the comments. So, how much might this repair cost? If your Tacoma is out of warranty, expect to pay anywhere from $300 to $700 at a dealership, depending on parts and labor. Aftermarket kits or DIY fixes can be less expensive, but always make sure to use quality components for safety.